Hello, it's How To Not To, and here I have a Vax Gator H90 handheld vacuum cleaner that I'm going to review today. It was purchased on Amazon and cost around £35 to £45. So let's get it out of the box. And here it is. It's a nice traditional orange colour that's associated with Vax products. And I like the design. It's very small and easy to handle. Its weight is only 1.3 kilos. And the power charger must be somewhere down the bottom of the box. Here it is. So it's got quite a lengthy cable wire there. It's a 10.8 voltage at 100 watts. You can empty the vacuum at the front by clicking the two grey buttons on either side. So just click here to open. The capacity of the vacuum is 0.3 litres. So let's quickly read through the manual. So it says here, before use, you have to charge it for 24 hours. So the charger goes in there and we just plug it in there. So there you have the charging indicator red light. So I'll see you in 24 hours. It's now fully charged and ready to go. It has a built-in crevice tool here for use on sofas or awkward places. I've put some salt down on the floor just to give you an idea of how powerful the suction is. But I wouldn't recommend using the crevice tool on hard floors or hard surfaces, as it will scratch the surface. So it's done a good job there, picking all that up. I'm now going to try the Vax on oats to see how well it picks that up. So let's throw some of that on the chair. So let's just throw in the whole thing. And again, it has no problems dealing with that. To access the filter, just click on the release grey button on the top. So that lets you empty the vacuum as well. The only negative thing about this, I would say, is the runtime. I mean, it only lasts 15 minutes. So the positives about this vacuum, well, it's small and lightweight. And it's also cordless, so you don't have to fiddle around with any cables. And also you can carry it around anywhere, so it's easy to use. And you can quickly clean up small areas without dragging a bigger vacuum out. So there you have it. If you liked this product, there is a link in the description box. Please leave any comments down below. And please like and subscribe to my channel to see more reviews and how-to videos. Plus there's I've got another video coming out soon, possibly tomorrow or Tuesday. So click on the notification button to get notified on that. Thanks and goodbye.